How to enable two-step verification on Viber. Open the Viber application. Tap on the more icon that you can see at bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the option Settings. Tap on the option Privacy that you can see at second. Tap on the option Two-step verification. Once you do that, tap on this option Create PIN code that you can see on the screen. Create a very unique PIN code over here. Tap on this icon that you can see on the keyboard. Confirm your PIN. Tap on the option Next. Once you do that, you'll have to enter the recovery email over here. Enter an email address. Once you do that, tap on the option Next. Confirm the email address. Tap on the option Next again. Wait for a while and two-step verification will be enabled. Like this, you'll be able to enable two-step verification on Viber. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.